All right, guys, so I'm going to give this a shot with using my computer to do the lessons. I know there were some issues with last week with the way the format of the videos came through and with the download of the assignments. So here we're looking at logarithms. Okay, so the very first thing I want to take a look at here is how to go from a logarithmic base to exponential. Okay, so here I'm going to take a look at writing each equation into exponent form right here. Okay, so here, if I had the logarithmic form, log base 2. So when you see the number after log, that's the base number. 16 equal to 4. This is how it's written as. So here I'm going to go ahead and get a little bigger. Whoops. So the 2 is the base number right here. That 2 is the base number. And that is the first step to writing exponential form. What is my base number? What am I raising that number to? The 4 is the exponent. Okay? So the 4 is the exponent, and then obviously 16 here is the answer in exponent form. Okay? So log base 2 of 16 equal to 4 means 2 to the 4th power equals 16. And so you can go ahead and repeat the steps again for part B. So in part B here, let's see, make it a little bigger here. So in part B, E is your base. So here's E. E is your base right there. And that is seen right over here. Okay? E is your base right there. Look at the 0. You see the 0 here? That becomes your exponent. So what's left over is the 1. So the 1 is your answer here. Yeah, I don't know why I'm having some trouble here. All right, 1 is your answer there. All right, so now what if we are rewriting exponent equation into logarithmic? Okay. Let's see here. So for example, if I have exponent 5 squared here, sorry. Trying to erase this, sorry about that. I don't know why that's doing it. Okay. So if I have 5 squared here, 5, that's my base. So I write it as log base 5 of 25. That's the answer that goes right there. And the last part, the exponent, it says 5 squared, it goes over here. So notice there are 3 numbers that are just being interchanged, okay, from exponent form to logarithmic and back again, all right? So to start you off, I have 8 problems to do here. One is rewrite equation into exponent form, so you're already with log. And then the other one is you're writing it from exponent form to logarithmic. So let's just start off with number 1. Let's see if this will help me out here all of a sudden. Okay. So for number 1, I have log base 3 of 81 equal to 4. Okay, now before I continue with this is for number 1. Let's go back to the notes. Remember, the base is b, the answer is y, the exponent is x. Okay? So what is my base number? Write this down. So b, okay, what is y? And then what is x? So in this case, b is going to be 3. Okay. To go back up one more time. Y is 81 and x is 4. So how do I write that in exponent form? Okay, to translate this will be b to the x power equal to y. So you have it all written here. So this becomes 3 to the 4th power equals to 81. So do you see how these 3 numbers pop up again in the exponent form? Okay, that's all that you have to do. Okay. Now, if I were to go the other way around, let's take a look at number 6. Number 6 is 50 to the 0 power equals 1. Again, what is b? What is y? What is x? This is all coming from the notes. So b is 50. Okay. My exponent is 1. Sorry, my exponent is not 1, it's 0. And my answer is 1. So to translate this, I'm going to write log of b of y equal to x. Actually, I'm sorry. This should be x equal then to y. So then log base 50 of 1 equals to 0. Okay, and that's your answer there. Okay, so again, this is going back to the definition of logarithms with base b. It's all written for you right here. Okay, hopefully that helps you guys out. The next thing I want to take a look at when I'm done with this is 6.5. I think when I downloaded the Word document to Google Forms, it did not translate everything from what I've written down. So you guys had some questions about what was asked of you in 7.2. I'll do a new video for that tomorrow.